Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today in this video, I am discussing about the Excel assignment that I have already solved using Excel formulas and automation techniques. So here, this is a test assignment of Excel where we have 4 questions, including a memo. So total 5 questions, and here each question has different weightage, which is of total 100 marks. So here, question number one, which is data. Where they have provided a data of some flights data. Let me show you the data part. So this is a flight data that they have provided, and we need to make some calculations and automations using this data. So here in the question number one, management has asked you to automate a system that can pull only the necessary columns from the large volume of data received, manipulate and analyzes the data, and set up an automated data collection process. On a separate worksheet called Q1, create a single macro that will copy FL origin, destination, depth, delay, airtime, career delay, weather delay from the worksheet regions data, and paste the values in the worksheet Q1. So in question number one, we have 3 parts, and we need to perform the copying of columns, then the formatting of the columns. Then in the part C, we need to attach a macro to a button or image. So I already have solved all these questions. So this one is Q1 tab, which is a solution of question number one. And I have attached the button, and where we have a Control Shift Q button here as well. As in the question they mentioned, we need to label a description, hotkey description of Control plus Shift plus Q. So I labeled it up, and if I press Control Shift Q, or if I click on this button, then after all the automatic calculations and everything, so this tab is automatically gets created, and all the calculations associated with this question will perform automatically. So these 3 are done. Now, next question is for question number 2 to 4. Please build the appropriate pivot tables and include the answer to the question in the memo of the management. Please create one or more new pivot table for each question. So for question number 2, question number 3, and question number 4, I have already built the pivot table. So this one is the pivot table for question number 2. The airline is interested in having categorized information about the average of different types of delay. So therefore, you are asked to provide the management with a pivot table and a pivot chart that includes average delay of each type for flights in each region. So this one is the average of career delay, weather delay, NAS delay, security delay, and late aircraft delay. So this one is a pivot table, and then we have created the pivot chart as well. So both of the solution for question number 2. Then this one is our question number 3, part A solution, a pivot table. And this one is our part 3B pivot table. And the question number 4 pivot table is this one, where we have a question 4 tab. And here we have a calculated field as well, as they mentioned in the question. So here we need to create a new field, percentage of career delay in the total delay. So make sure you create in your pivot table and not in the original data set. So we have created this one in our pivot table. So these all are the solutions of this whole assignment. So I hope you like this video, and if you have some similar kind of examination for Excel assignment, or if you need help in Excel assignment, in any kind of Excel related questions, you can directly reach me out. I will be sharing my contact details, my email address, and my phone number, maybe WhatsApp number in my in the description part of this video, and you can easily reach me out whenever you have any exam related regarding Excel file or regarding Excel functions and formulas. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day ahead. So take care and bye. We'll talk soon.